Good morning, everybody. Just a little bit late this morning there, setting up, so apologies for that. It's Monday, the 29th of June, and I'm going to go through the no indicators strategy and also three little pigs in the market. So start off with no indicators this morning. Last week we took a long trade here and a stop loss down here, so a big stop loss. And we moved up to this high, and so far we're just waiting for a new high, so no reason to move this stop yet. Euro USD, we've got the big gaps on the charts this morning regarding the euro. It's a lot of scaremongering here with the Greece debt issue. Already that gap's filled here on Euro USD, we can see. So maybe those fears aren't as great as people think. This is always over a knee-jerk reaction. So basically, we got stopped out of for a small loss here last week and took a short trade. So entries here, stop loss up here. With this gap down now this morning, I've moved my stop loss down to here. So little risk here on this trade now. So about 70% of the risk taken off with moving that stop. Euro JPY, we can see that the debt issue might mean a lot more to Japan than it does to America, should it happen. So we got stopped out of our long trade here for a small profit, just about made up for the small loss on Euro USD actually. So short here, and I've just moved my stop loss just this level now, so almost risk-free as well here on Euro USD, just to see how this Greek thing turns out. I suspect there'll be many euro-related meetings coming up soon to try and get a more positive view on this. So short here and stop loss here, so pretty limited here in terms of our risk. So three little pigs now. Just wait for the charts to load up here. Okay, so there's a short entry. I've been short since this candle here on Aussie dollar. I'm not quite break even here yet, but hopefully this will move down and I'll get a break even stop in place soon on Aussie dollar. And Euro GBP, the short trade since this candle here, or made a little bit of profit here, but not much. So short here on Euro GBP and in the money stop down here. So just trailing this now as Euro falls away and maybe gets into bigger trouble than it's already in. Euro JPY, this was a really late signal here this morning on the first candle that closed this morning. So short trade entry here. I know it's quite a big stop for us on the three pigs, but I've taken it just so that I'm basically in the trade, and if the euro does fall away, then at least I'm involved. Not going to make much money either way on this trade, I know that, but nevertheless, I decided to get involved. Euro USD, similar, but we've got the big gap here that we've seen on the no indicators update, and we've been short since this candle here. So all being fair, we should be able to get an in the money stop fairly soon in the next day or two, assuming we don't come up and fill this gap. And on cable, we're still not in sync here. So there we've got the weeklies down, the daily's still above, and the 4 hours below. So we need the daily to roll over and then look for a short signal here. I'm surprised that we haven't seen more weakness here in GBP, to be honest, but there we go. We just have to take the signals as we get them. USD CAD is a bit choppy here, so long trade here. I got stopped out on this candle here, so I'm waiting for a re-entry confirmation on USD CAD. And USD Swiss, we're not in sync here, so we can just quickly see the weekly still hovering around this moving average, and the daily's up and the 4 hours up. So we just need the weekly just to push up above that moving average. USD Swiss, it's not a great one to be trading at the moment after that scare a few months ago. And last but not least, onto USD JPY. I teach everybody to close their trades on Friday, and here is a damn good reason why. If you were long here on Friday, your stop loss was taken out quite considerably and some more, and you would have lost more than your 1% or 2% risk on this trade. So do close those trades out on Friday if you've got time, or you'll learn the lesson the hard way. And last but not least, just gold, just to cover it off for those that are trading it. It's just basically choppy in here. Expect gold to become a bit more popular if the Greeks do default. People will be moving into gold as a safe haven. So there was a short trade here on gold. You can just about see the arrow here. So short trade, probably made a little bit of money or break even. So this was actually probably stopped out, and a new entry here, which is probably stopped out again. So those of you trading gold, you're waiting for a new signal to the downside. And on that note, I thank you all. Apologies for being late once again, and thank you all for listening, and all the very best to all of you.